150 million years ago, a hunter ran on Jurassic stone. Compsogna the swift and small, hollow bones would change it all. Feathered arms began to grow, Micoraptor learned to glide below. Through Cretaceous canopy, evolution's mystery.
Archaeopteryx took to the sky, two jaws and wings that learned to fly. Confucius lost its teeth, tail fused tight, the beak beneath.
Through the asteroids' fire, only the clever would survive. Modern birds would rise again, from the ashes they begin.
Wings of time carrying on, through the ages, through the dawn. From the dinosaur to the sky, living lightning blue and bright. Feathers turn from scales to flight, survivors of the endless night. In the palm grove, hear the call, the journey of them all. 55 million years gone by, US in forest, parrots fly. Hooked beak strong, feet that grasp, psychodactyl built to last. South America's rising mountains, Amazon's eternal fountains. Macaws grew large on palm nut treasure, intelligence beyond measure.
On older inches, bluer sky, Pantanobi